Hi Dutchy Crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another twisted burger. This time we're doing the classic double cheeseburger and we're going to be using this. So this is a local smoky barbecue rub from Derbyshire Fine Foods and I'm proud to be from Derbyshire. Let's cook. So today we're cooking on the Toro's mini cater. We're just going to put some olive oil down on the plancha, just spread it around, and we're going on with just 2 store-bought burgers. While these are cooking, we're going to make that famous burger sauce. So I've got this rub from Angus Oink Mac Daddy's, and we're going to add it to a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. So we're going to go in with 1 heaped teaspoon of the rub. So there we have it, that's our burger sauce ready. We're just going to flip these burgers now and see how we're getting on with them. So I've taken our rub and I've put it into a shaker, and we're just going to give a generous shake on each one of these burgers. You can also use this rub as a marinade, mix it with a bit of oil. So all we're going to do now is just turn these burgers over. We're going to apply some of the rub to the cooked side again. If you want to become a Dutchy Crew member, all you got to do is subscribe. It's free. And all we'll do is just another flip to cook that rub. So we've got our seeded roll, we're just going to put that on the plancha and get that toasted. And then we've just got some cheese slices. We're just going to put these on top and let them melt. We're not going to steam these or anything like that. Just let the heat of the burger melt it. So that's our burger buns toasted. It's time to get them off and get building. So the first layer down is always our burger sauce. Spread that around to make a nice base. First cheese patty, slice of tomato, second cheese patty. And you can't have a burger without some onion, so I've just got some white onion here that's been finely chopped. Top it off, you've got to have some pickles. Lid on, ready to serve. So this is Dutchy's classic double cheeseburger. So I think we better go in for a taste test. You can really taste the smokiness of that rub coming through. All in all, that's one good burger. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.